Hello, my name is Florian. I'm from the company CAD+T. We have a solution especially for the bespoke industry in the furniture side. Everything from the design into the production, manufacturing, and output for bill of material, cutting lists, design, rendering, whatever is required for the customer side itself. CAD+T is a software solution for planning, design, production, manufacturing of bespoke furnitures from the initial design into the production with bill of material, cutting list, everything which is required from the customer side. The most issues or problems what the companies have is that you have different softwares, you have different people which are doing the jobs. You always have the human factor to calculate, and also you need to have, let's say, everything manually programmed on a CNC machine, which is an automation on our side, where you can bring up the errors to nearly zero, and you have an increase of up to 30-40% of productivity with the same amount of team. Principally, we have a solution where we start in the initial design, where we are using a material database in the background. So for the initial design, we are using already materials. This will go into the engineering side or engineering department, where they can use then all the hardware from Lamm, Hettich, Hefele, Grass, and so on, to place them automatically. So they don't need to think about it, okay, what type of drawer do I need, what's the maximum width, height, and so on. This is coming directly from the system. And out of this, we are going then into the production. Means through our CAM interface, we are going into all types of CNC machines. If that is 3-axis, 5-axis, if that is nesting or something like this, we can set up the system in that way that we have an automated process so that there is no manual interference needed to send information into the production. On the other side, on the ERP side, we also have the opportunity to say we make a calculation based on the used material with wastage, without wastage, depends on the customer's setup, and gives them the final pricing, how long it will need to manufacture them, capacity planning. All this information can be taken out of the initial design drawing. So we don't need to do anything again and again and again in different softwares. So we use one drawing at the end of the day to trigger all the information through the process. When I started my apprenticeship in 1995, we were working more in the manual way. That is 25 years ago. Now you see as well the switch into more automation, more robotic, more output for, let's say, for the customers itself, better output with less errors. We are here on the MAPS 24 because we made as well all the other shows here in the UK, like the KBP and also the former W. It's a very important market for us to have as well the feeds here in the UK market itself. It's a really growing market. We have a lot of potential for our solution to give the right options for the customers. We expect more awareness in the market. This is why we are doing that. And in the moment, it looks quite promising.